Welcome to Kharoo channel. We are solving the exercises of chapter depreciation, and in this video we are going to solve question 4. State whether the following statements are true or false with reasons. First question, depreciation is charged on fixed assets. True. Depreciation is charged on assets that are held in business for more than 1 year, and such assets are called as fixed asset, and we charge depreciation to arrive at correct profit. Next, question 2, depreciation increases the value of asset. False. Depreciation does not increase, but it decreases the value of the asset. As you know the definition of depreciation, depreciation is a reduction in the value of fixed asset. So it decreases the value of asset. Next question, question 3, balance of depreciation account is transferred to profit and loss account. True. As we know, at the year end, we transfer all the balances of nominal accounts to the profit and loss account. Nominal accounts include all incomes, gains, expenses and losses. Depreciation is an expense, so we transfer the depreciation accounts balance to the profit and loss account at the year end. Next question, question 4, the profit or loss on sale of fixed asset is ascertained only after charging depreciation. True, the statement is true. How do we calculate profit or loss on sale of fixed asset? Sale price minus written down value. When we reduce WDV from sale price, we get profit or loss from sale of asset. And how do we get WDV? We get WDV by reducing depreciation amount from what? In the year of purchase from cost of asset, and in later years from opening WDV. Then we get closing WDV, or the WDV at the time of sale. Next question, question 5. Wages paid for installation of machinery are debited to wages account. This is a wrong statement, as wages paid for installation of machinery are not debited to wages account but to machinery account. Why? As per accounting standard 10, cost of asset includes purchase price and all expenses that are incurred to bring the asset in its working condition. So whatever expenses we are incurring, right from transportation, construction, installation, coloring, repairing, wages, all such expenses are not transferred to expense account, like wages are not transferred to wages account, but they are transferred to machinery account and added to the cost of asset. They are debited to machinery account. Here wages are added to the cost of machinery. Next question, question 6. It is not necessary to depreciate an asset if it is not in use. False. It is necessary to depreciate an asset whether it is in use or not. If you remember the definition, depreciation is charged due to passage of time. So when we are not using it, still the asset is with us, and due to passage of time we have to depreciate the asset. The other word used for passage of time was efflux of time. Next question, question 7. Depreciation is charged on current assets only. False. Depreciation is charged not on current assets but on fixed assets. Fixed assets are the assets that are held in the business for more than 1 year. Next question, question 8. Depreciation need not be charged when business is making losses. The statement is false, as depreciation is required to be charged even when business is making losses. Depreciation is mandatory. It is not an option. It is not a choice. You have to charge depreciation whether you make profit or loss. In fact, After deducting depreciation, you get correct profit or loss of the business. If depreciation is not deducted, that means the profit or loss is not calculated properly. If you find the video useful, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for future notifications.